Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to show you how I made this incredible straight bag for your party. It is simple and we're going to start with the things that we need. I use felt in these colors and I also use an images to guide myself on how I want it to look just to not mess up. I'm also going to use pins, scissors, a hot glue gun, a pattern, ribbon, and if you don't want to use ribbon, you can always use like a cord. This will work great for the bag as well. So you can either use freezer paper for this part or just paper like I'm using and just pin it into your felt, all the pieces and all the colors. I'm gonna put the pattern in my vlog so you can check it out. So now that you have your pattern pin or ironed on, you can start cutting all the pieces for the bag, and you can also use your Cricut if you have one. I will start placing all the pieces on top of a red piece of felt because that's the color of the background of the Incredibles. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just try to place it everything correctly. It can be like a little, like if you put it backwards it might look a little different, so just make sure to have an image that you can guide yourself for this. And now that you have it all in place, you start gluing with your hot glue gun. And go ahead and start cutting all around. I left a little edge to the logo. I just wanted to show the red. You can actually leave it as a rectangle if you want. I punch a couple holes into the felt, but before I actually add the cord, I'm gonna start gluing the edge of the bag. That way I can start closing it and it will be easier to add the cord. So I'm gonna place the cord inside the hole like this, and I'm just gonna make a couple of knots, or a knot should be fine, and do the same thing on the other side. Just make sure that it's not too close to the edge so it doesn't rip and it will last a little longer, especially if you add heavy items. If you add just like light toys and a little juice, it won't really hurt the material. So I'm gonna finish up by gluing the rest and just leave a small opening. You don't have to do this part because it's already glued, but if you want to, it is totally up to you. So you are pretty much done. Just add your goodies into the bag, inside the bag. I decided to just use chips, a couple of candy for the kids, and it is so simple. And actually it is not that expensive. It'll probably be less than $1. Usually felt is around 17-20 cents. It is not that expensive, so that's a great plus for this bag. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, share this video. It will be awesome because it really helps me. And if I'm gonna post a little mini clip of this so you can share it on Facebook as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.